Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the endless parade of diet trends, each promising a quick fix? It's easy to get lost in the noise, searching for a sustainable path to better health and a healthier weight. Today, we're diving deep into a dietary approach that isn't a fad, but a time-tested lifestyle. We're talking about the Mediterranean diet and the burning question, is it truly good for weight loss? Imagine a plate bursting with fresh vegetables, vibrant fruits, and wholesome grains. This diet emphasizes plant-based foods, healthy fats like olive oil, and lean protein sources such as fish. It's less about strict rules and more about a balanced, enjoyable way of eating. Think nuts, seeds, legumes, and herbs with moderate amounts of dairy and poultry. So how does this delicious way of eating translate into shedding pounds? It's not magic, but pure science. The high fiber content from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains keeps you feeling full longer. This natural satiety helps reduce overall calorie intake without feeling deprived. Healthy fats and proteins further contribute to this feeling of fullness, stabilizing blood sugar and curbing cravings. Furthermore, the Mediterranean diet is inherently anti-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation can hinder weight loss and contribute to metabolic issues. By reducing inflammation, this diet supports a healthier metabolism. It encourages mindful eating and a slower pace, which can also aid in better digestion and portion control. This holistic approach addresses multiple facets of weight management. But the benefits extend far beyond just the number on the scale. Research consistently links this eating pattern to improved heart health, lower risk of type 2 diabetes, and enhanced brain function. It's a powerful tool for overall well-being, fostering longevity and vitality. Many people report increased energy and better mood when adopting this lifestyle. Ready to embrace this delicious journey? Begin by swapping processed snacks for fresh fruits and nuts. Replace butter with extra virgin olive oil for cooking and dressings. Incorporate more plant-based meals throughout your week, focusing on legumes and whole grains. Aim for at least 2 servings of fish weekly and enjoy poultry in moderation. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Small, consistent changes lead to significant, lasting results. Don't feel pressured to overhaul your entire kitchen overnight. The Mediterranean diet offers a refreshing alternative to restrictive dieting. It's a sustainable, enjoyable, and scientifically backed approach to achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. It empowers you to nourish your body with delicious, wholesome foods, fostering a positive relationship with eating. This isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle transformation. Embrace the vibrant flavors and incredible health benefits waiting for you. Your journey to a healthier, happier you starts now. Disclaimer: this content is for educational and informational purposes only, and not a substitute for medical advice. Please consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Which Mediterranean food do you love most? Olives, salmon, or veggies? Comment below. Hit like if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly tips on healthy eating.